Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? It's your boy Rocky from RockSide RC. We're going on a little hunt today. We're going to try to see if we can find ourselves a Losi 112 Nascar. I like the Napa car, so that's the one that I'm trying to get today. So let's see if we can grab it today. All right, let's go. Yeah, we're back in Willis Hobbies again today. Alright, I'll catch up to you on the back of the mall. Stay out of trouble. Take care, talk to you soon. Yep. Whoa! How many have you sold so far?
Sold 3.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And I got those 3 in the back or so.
Ah.
Literally 3 different guys. It's a group of 20.
Yeah.
Nathan just got FGR. Was it on Barker or John? It's not built for distribution. For you. Every day. Can we take a picture with you?
Yeah, sure. Would you like?
We got most of them.
Oh, nice.
I want to be able to write going, and then pictures of gone.
Gone, right?
Wow, come on.
Well,
What? You got enough?
yeah. Being nice.
So we're at Willis Hobbies with Jay, Corey, and with my man Nate Dogg.
Oh yeah.
And we're checking out the new Losi cars that just came out. These are the NASCARs that just came out. You better hurry up and grab them. They're gonna go quick. So definitely check out Willis Hobbies. They have all the good stuff, always. Jay, any words?
How are you?
All right. Nate Dogg. Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry.
You could always, if you want to come back in,
Sure.
you can go ahead.
Sure. Thank you very much. Oh wow.
Window.
Oh, get that out of here. That's cool. Oh, sick. Thank you very much, Jay. Appreciate you, as always.
Check out there.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Corey. I'm definitely gonna get you, Corey.
Me,
Huh? What'd you say?
Mr. Me.
Sir?
Hey, what's up, stranger?
I'm sorry.
She untied you from the basement?
She let you go. Nice, bro. Nice. I'm sorry. Why not your way?
You too.
Take it up.
Take care.
Oh, pardon me, sir. I'm sorry. Are you guys still getting the ones with your names on it and stuff? Or no?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
It's just the body
Oh, okay.
we're going to be getting. It's a specific body they're going to make for us.
Wow, okay.
So it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
We could just fit them all.
This one's mine. Make sure you guys grab it again. They're definitely running out, so.
Why is it called?
No. So with Nate Dogg over here at Willis.
Good to have you, Rocky.
Thank you very much.
Oh, yeah,
Always
man.
pleasure, seeing you guys, of course.
Happy to have Rockside RC.
Thank you
Oh, yeah,
very
man.
much, man. Thank you very much. So what do we have here today?
So we, in stock, have all 6 of the different NASCARs from Losi.
Nice.
So they're all 12th scale. They all run on 2S. They're 20 miles per hour. and they're pretty much, you know, the Arma Grom. They're like, you know, 80% the Arma Grom, and we have been upgrading those a lot, doing like at least 15 upgrades for people.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. All like 4500, 5500 KV,
Oh, yeah.
2S, 3S. Some guys pushing 4S, doing like 50, 60.
Really?
They're having fun. Oh,
That's
yeah.
sick.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so I know where to go when I want to get
Oh,
mine
yeah, we
modded,
help
of
you out.
course. Thank you
Got
very
the
much.
1010 motors, the Hobby Wing motors, and all the gears to go with them.
Oh, wow, cool.
Oh, yeah, we
You
got
guys
you.
actually sell the gears for that, for the castle motor?
Yeah.
What is it,
So
like a
for
2
the
mil?
castle's actually the 1/8 inch.
Okay.
So I think we did get in some 18s and 19s.
Really?
I don't think we could get more than that, but that's
Okay.
like more than stock.
Of course, yeah, no, thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh yeah, man.
You know what? I'll grab one of those also if you have them.
Sure. You
All
got
right,
me.
cool. Thank you very
Oh,
much.
yeah, oh, yeah.
Hey, what's going on? It's your guy Rocky from RockSide RC, hitting you guys with another video today. We got another drop today. First of all, I'm going to definitely welcome everybody back to the channel, and welcome everybody who's new to the channel. We greatly appreciate it. You're subscribed. We greatly appreciate that also. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we appreciate that. Hopefully you'll subscribe soon, if not today. So what we have new on the channel, we have from Losi. Here we go. The new Napa vehicle, the 1/12th scale Napa vehicle. Very cool. It just came out. I'm looking at the chassis here, and it kind of replicates the Armour Groms, basically, the chassis. So let's get this out the box, and let's see what we have. Box is off, or the exterior part of the box is off now. I'll show you the box real quick. The exterior part. Very cool. Alright, so here is the vehicle. I like the Napa version of it, so that's what I went with. It's very cool. When I was a kid, I used to work at Napa, so, hence the Napa car. Alright, let's see what's in the box. All right, guys, got the car out the box finally. And they did a marvelous job on this body. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful job. Losi, again, as always, they always do a beautiful job on their vehicles, cars, trucks, buggies, whatever it is, So this is definitely another great drop from Losi. This is definitely one of the best drops so far of 2024. They give you a, what is this, the SLT2 remote. They give us a manual. It looks like they give you options of like upgraded parts and stuff like that, so that's cool. They do provide us with a USB charger. They also provide 4 AA batteries for the remote. Nice. All right, let's take a look at this chassis. Okay, give you another better look at the body. Nice. Okay. Let's get a closer look of the chassis. Again, it looks like it's pretty much laid out like the Armour Typhon, the Armour Mojave, the Groms. Another chassis layout. Very cool. Let's see the tires. Tires don't feel sticky, but I guess hopefully after a few runs they'll break in and hopefully helps the car after the tires break in. We'll see. Looks like it's the same battery that's provided with the, again, with the Arma Typhon and the Arma Mojave, the Groms. Nice. Battery's 2S. It's a 1400 2S LiPo. So I'm thinking about making this car brushless. We'll see. I'm gonna do, you know, a few modifications here and there. You know, make it a little faster if I can. But all right, let's get this thing out, box stock, and see how it performs. All right, thank you very much. Check it out. Hey guys, I just wanted to hit you guys with my final thoughts. Just took it for a rip inside the house. The car really performs well. I mean, even inside the house, you know, where it's a little bit more slippery, it actually handled pretty well. You know, of course, it's all about the throttle. You know, how much you use and how much you don't use, basically. You know, trying to get the car to spin or, you know, but the car is amazing. I love the car. I can't really say anything bad about the car. If anything, I'll probably keep this one inside the house, and this will be one of my shelf queens. And then if anything, I'll buy another one and maybe put some brushless system in it, you know, and see how fast I can get it, you know. But the thing is awesome, awesome. The detailing, the scale realism of the car, you know, two reasons why I had to get this car, personally myself. Again, like I said, as a kid, I worked in Napa. I think I was like 17, you know, I was one of the drivers actually, you know. So that's one of the reasons, you know, Napa knows. But the second reason was I'm a Chevy guy. But again, the Camaro looks great. Beautiful. Show you guys the back end of it. Let me turn this thing off. Just a little side note, I believe, you know, this has probably been mentioned before, but this is definitely like a little Armour Grom chassis, similar to it, you know. It definitely does say Losi on the bottom though, you know, so you are getting a Losi product, but the layout of the chassis is definitely similar to the Armour Groms, especially like the Typhon and the Mojave. So let me shut this off. Wow, the brush motor's not even hot, warm, or anything. This little fan is actually working. Nice. Okay. Just wanted to put this body back on first. And then just want to hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody's enjoying their RCs, whatever you have. I hope everybody's enjoying their family and their friends. And I'll catch you in the next one. Rockside out.